If your GoDaddy domain is coming up for renewal, or you just want to make sure it stays active, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We'll go over how to renew your domain in GoDaddy, how to get to the renewal option, and how to finish checkout so your domain stays connected and live. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get into it. First, sign into your GoDaddy account using the email address and password linked to your domain. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your registered products, including domains, websites, and add-ons. On the My Products page, look for the Domains section. Find the domain you want to renew, and then click DNS beside that domain. Even though it says DNS, this is the path that helps you get into the domain settings area. After that, open Domain Settings so you can access the renewal options. Inside the domain settings, look for the Renew Now button. This is the main option you need if your domain is close to expiring or already ready for renewal. Click Renew Now, and GoDaddy will take you to the next step in the process. Next, click Continue to Checkout. At this point, GoDaddy will prepare your renewal order and show you the available renewal options. You'll then need to select the renewal period. Depending on your domain, you may be able to renew it for 1 year or for multiple years, so choose the option that fits your needs best. Once you've selected the renewal period, click Ready for Checkout. This takes you to the final order screen where you can review everything before paying. Take a moment here to double-check the domain name, the renewal length, and the total price. If you have multiple products in your cart, make sure only the items you want are included. Now select your payment method. GoDaddy may show you a card already saved to your account, or you can add a new payment option if needed. Review the order carefully one last time, then complete the purchase. After that, your domain renewal should go through, and your domain will remain active for the next renewal period you selected. If you don't see the renew option right away, make sure you're signed into the correct GoDaddy account and that you're looking at the right domain. Sometimes users manage more than one account or more than one domain, so it's worth confirming before you buy anything. And that's it. You've successfully renewed your domain in GoDaddy. The process is quick once you know where to click, and it only takes a few minutes to keep your domain from expiring. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.